Welcome to the Financial Works YouTube channel, where we help you find the best ways to make money online. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money online by being an author. Writing a book is a dream for many people, but not everyone knows how to turn that dream into a reality. How do you write a book that people want to read? How do you publish it and reach your target audience? How do you make money from your book sales and royalties? These are some of the questions that we're going to answer in this video. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Decide what to write your book about. The first step to becoming an author is to decide what to write your book about. This may seem obvious, but it's actually one of the most challenging parts of the process. You need to have a clear idea of what your book is about, who it is for, and what value it provides to your readers. There are many types of books you can write, such as fiction, nonfiction, memoir, self-help, business, education, and more. You can also choose to write a short ebook or a long novel, depending on your preference and goals. The key is to write about something that you are passionate about, knowledgeable about, and interested in. You also need to do some market research to see if there is a demand for your book topic, and who your ideal readers are. One way to find a profitable book idea is to use a tool like PublishDrive, which allows you to automatically distribute your ebook to online marketplaces such as Amazon and Apple Books. PublishDrive also provides you with data and insights on the best-selling genres, categories, keywords, and prices for your book. You can use this information to validate your book idea and optimize your book for maximum exposure and sales. Step 2. Write your book. The next step is to write your book. This is where the fun begins, but also where the hard work starts. Writing a book is not easy, and it takes a lot of time, effort, and dedication. You need to have a writing routine, a writing plan, and a writing mindset. A writing routine is a schedule that you follow to write your book consistently. You have to set aside a specific time and place to write every day, or at least a few times a week. You also should set a daily or weekly word count goal, and track your progress. A writing routine helps you stay focused, motivated, and productive. A writing plan is a blueprint that you use to structure your book and outline your content. You need to have a clear idea of what your book is about, what your main message is, and what your chapters are. Your book should have a hook, a conflict, and a resolution, especially if you're writing fiction. A writing plan helps you organize your thoughts, avoid writer's block, and create a coherent and compelling book. A writing mindset is an attitude that you adopt to write your book effectively by having a positive, confident, and creative mindset. You should also have a growth mindset, which means that you are willing to learn, improve, and overcome challenges. A writing mindset helps you enjoy the writing process, express yourself authentically, and write a book that you are proud of. Step 3. Edit your book. The third step is to edit your book. Editing is a crucial part of the writing process, and it can make or break your book. Editing is not just about fixing grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. It's also about improving your style, tone, voice, clarity, flow, and structure. Editing is also about making sure that your book is engaging, informative, and valuable to your readers. Editing a book is not something that you can do by yourself. You need to have a fresh pair of eyes to look at your book objectively and give you honest feedback. You also need to have a professional editor to polish your book and make it ready for publication. There are different types of editing, such as developmental editing, copy editing, proofreading, and formatting. You can find professional editors on platforms like Reedsy, which is an online marketplace that connects authors with editors, designers, and marketers. Step 4. Publish your book. The fourth step is to publish your book. Publishing a book is easier than ever, thanks to the rise of self-publishing platforms and tools. Self-publishing means that you have full control over your book, from the cover design to the distribution channels. You also get to keep 100% of the profits from your book sales and royalties. There are many platforms that you can use to self-publish your book, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, Nook, Apple iBooks, Google Play, Smashwords, and more. Each platform has its own advantages and disadvantages, such as the audience size, the royalty rate, the formatting requirements, and the marketing opportunities. You need to do some research and compare the platforms to see which one suits your needs and goals best. You can also use a tool like Sellfy to create your own digital storefront and sell your ebooks directly from your website. Sellfy is an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell ebooks, pod merchandise, and more. You can also use Sellfy to create a landing page, collect email subscribers, and send newsletters. Sellfy also lets you sell your ebooks with 0% transaction fees, making it perfect for authors who want to maximize their earnings. Step 5. Market your book. The fifth and final step is to market your book. Marketing a book is not optional, it's essential. Marketing is how you get your book in front of your target audience, generate interest and buzz, and drive sales and reviews. Marketing is also how you build your author brand, grow your fan base, and establish your authority and credibility. There are many ways to market your book, such as creating a website, starting a blog, launching a podcast, joining social media, running ads, doing interviews, writing guest posts, hosting webinars, creating a book trailer, and more. The key to successful book marketing is to have a clear strategy, a realistic budget, and a consistent action plan. You will need to develop a book launch plan, which is a timeline of the activities and tasks that you need to do before, during, and after your book launch. A book launch plan helps you create hype, excitement, and urgency for your book, and increase your chances of hitting the bestseller lists. So, there you have it. These are the 5 steps to make money online by being an author. Writing and publishing a book is not easy, but it's definitely rewarding. Not only can you make money from your book, but you can also share your message, inspire your readers, and fulfill your passion. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. We'll see you in the next one.